Batting sixth.
Now a ball crushed high in the air, deep to left, way back there, and that one is long gone.
Hey, either this hitter.
There's a swing and a ball hit in the air, and a ball that he got every stitch of, as that one, without a doubt, is gone. Swing and a drive to right. There it goes. And it's gone. It's ball one. Here's a shot to left field and deep. Look at this. Over the bleachers and onto the concourse. A home run. Oh, that's well hit. Deep center field. Center fielder looking up, still ranging back. And goodbye. This one ain't coming back.
Kyle.
Infield in the overshift here. Now the pitch. Oh, and he leaves the fastball up there. Mistake in location. He is going to pay for it dearly as that ball is sent over the wall. A home run. Here's the pitch. A swing and a drive to center field. That one's got a chance. Looking up Acuna. And this one is gone. A home run. Now Chipper connects. Deep left field. And goodbye. This one ain't coming back. Strikeout in this one. Devers, right field and carrying well. And out of here. And I mean by plenty. That ball was crushed. Oh, and there's a drive to deep left center. You can pretty much forget about this one. This is way out of here. Oh, and a big swing by Encarnacion as this is sent out to deep left field. And it's gone as they add still another. Here's a huge swing by Acuna and a drive to deep left. And gone. An absolute bomb.
Get ahead, get the offense on their toes. That opens up the offense.
Good opposite field power here, taken high and deep to right. And that one is gone.
If he can't put that pitch in play, right in his wheelhouse.
Here's a swing, and oh man, way out of here. Really a rare talent in this sport, a true five-tool player as they... Oh, hang on now. This ball is smoked to right, and I don't think this one's coming back. No chance. It's gone.
On 0-2 here, he doesn't have to give in.
A swing and a drive sent out toward the gap. And that one is gone on a two-strike count with two away. All over the place. 2 on, 2 out, and of course, here in inning number 2. And a slider that time as this ball's hammered to deep left field. And that is the definition of a mistake pitch there as this ball is gone. A home run. Can't catch the zone. Here comes the 1-2. Swing and a long drive again. This one to deep center. That one's out of here. Back-to-back home runs. Here to begin the second.
The right fielder, Ronald.
Here's a huge swing by Acuna and a drive to deep left. Gone to lead off the inning.
Your batting average goes up as you get in a more favorable.
There's a swing and a drive, and everybody's just going to sit back and watch that one fly. A no doubt.
You could tell he was ready for another fastball, but the pitcher went to breaking ball, and the hitter just fouls that one off.
Oh, and he sat on the curveball there, and he yanks this one out to left. This ball has plenty of carry to it, and it's going to clear the wall by plenty. A home run.
Execute with that type of velocity. Fastballs up and in. I can't.
There's a swing and a ball hit in the air, and a ball that he got every stitch of, as that one, without a doubt, is gone.